Welcome to 33 Oceanside Drive in Scituate. We got 7 bedrooms and 5 whole bathrooms here. Come on inside because it's nice and warm inside. So we have a beautiful family room right where you are. And we're gonna walk right through here. You can see the family room. It's adjacent to the front porch that's facing the ocean. So you can have a nice view from the family room. And as we walk right over here, it's gonna be the main living room here, featuring a beautiful gas fireplace. All right. And we're gonna walk you right through here to the beautiful kitchen. You have your stone countertops here with the quartz stone, and beautiful kitchen here next to the nice dining area. You have your stainless steel appliances. Okay. Right over here you'll see a beautiful pantry, plenty of space there. And this will be your half bath over here, right on the first floor. We have many entryways. This is the side door that connects to the front porch. And you will see this spectacular ocean view right out here. Or you can see the spectacular plows driving by. Right through here, follow me. You got your wine area, all your plates, all your fancy china can be right in here for storage. And you guys ready to go upstairs? Let's go this way. Be right upstairs. You'll be surprised at this luxury living oceanside, and there's plenty of bedrooms. So if you're looking to entertain with your family, this is the place to be. All right, so you got your first bath right in here. And this is adjacent to the laundry room and 3 generous sized bedrooms. The second bedroom is right through here. Don't forget, we're gonna show you the master bed in just a bit, but we're gonna go right through here, right down this way. And this is the second bedroom. Okay. And each bedroom has its own unique flavor. You're welcome to change the colors. However, each bedroom has its own unique character. This is the master bed. Welcome here. The bedrooms have their wonderful ceiling fans, and this master bedroom features a nice balcony with the spectacular view of the ocean. Look at that, and the sunshine. I mean, it is unbelievable the amount of vitamin D that you can get here. I didn't do that. Okay, we are hopping right over here, and we will see a beautiful walk-in shower. You'll see the beautiful stones there for the walk-in shower. And what's really nice about this is there is a walk-in closet with a makeup sink. All right, you guys ready to see some more bedrooms? We got some more bedrooms on the 3rd floor. Okay. Come right up. And right up here, you'll have some bedrooms that you could use for guests. So these are the guest bedrooms up here. Very comfortable and very good size bedrooms. So in the summertime, when you're entertaining family members, they can stay up here, very comfortable. They have also the beautiful view of the ocean from the windows and plenty of skylights here, so natural lighting for comfort. And it is truly luxury living. Welcome to 33 Oceanside Drive in Scituate. Just when you think 33 Oceanside Drive is out of space, it's actually more than 4,000 square footage of space here as we're walking up. This is the in-law unit. You have on this side is a 2-car garage, and come right up here. It's a beautiful in-law unit, and you'll be surprised as to how much space you have and also the oceanside view. So this is the living room here for the in-law suite, and we're gonna go right around. We're gonna turn this way. This is your beautiful kitchen. And if you wanted access to the main home right through this door, but also a separate entry. So you have your own private living space here, your kitchen, you have access to your own balcony right back here. And if you want to see some more vitamin D and sunshine, come this way. Look at all the sunshine. Look at that. So all of the balcony space, this wraps around. It's a wrap-around porch that connects to the front. Okay. You got beautiful living space here, and again, lots of vitamin D. And we're gonna walk you to the bedroom at this point. Bedrooms are right over here with the full bath. And come on in, we got our first bedroom here. The ceiling fans are just amazing in the summertime, you know, to keep you nice and cool. And we have our second bedroom over here and a walk-in shower with the full bath adjacent to the bedrooms. Come right out. I'll show you this nice bathroom over here for the in-law suite. And you have to see the ocean view. You just have to see the ocean view. Come this way. Little balcony here that you got. All right, you see the ocean. Oh, it's spectacular. It is spectacular. Welcome back in, nice and warm in here. All right, and that is the in-law suite at 33 Oceanside Drive here in Scituate. Welcome home, and we got 7 full bedrooms and 5 bathrooms here for your luxury living.